Hello students, how are you all? I hope so that you are all well and welcome to Riyans Education Center, Hafizpur, Azamgarh. This is Jyoti Soni. Before you all is going to represent a topic from class 7th Science. I have to start topic today, that is acids, bases and salts. What is acid, what is base and what is salt? So first we have to know about the acids. The word acid has been originated from the Latin word that is acere. That is acere. And the meaning of acere is sour. Now, we have to study about the properties of the acids. What are the properties of the acid? First property of the acid is acids are sour in taste. On the basis of taste, we can say that the taste of acids are sour. Second property of the acids are, that is, acids are corrosive in the nature. On the basis of nature, we can say that acids are corrosive in the nature. And the meaning of corrosive is, it has the ability to destroy the things, most of the things. It has the ability to destroy, to damage the surface of the most of the things. That is, even it can also destroy the metals like iron and zinc. That is why most of the acids are, that is why we can say that acids cannot be stored into the metals container. Means we cannot store the acids into the container of metals. That is why acids are stored into the container of glasses. Means acids can corrode the metals, and that metals are iron and zinc. Iron and zinc. Okay. Now, the acids can corrode the metals. Even acids can corrode the metals, and that are the iron and zinc. Next property of the acids are, we can say that acids are mostly soluble into the water, or most of the acids are soluble into the water. I hope so that these topics are clear to everyone. Once again, look at the screen and again you have to just discuss, we will discuss in the short. First, acids word has been originated from the Latin word, that Latin word is acid, acere, and the meaning of acere is sour. Now, on the basis of taste, the first property of the acid is, the taste of acid is sour, and on the basis of nature, that is, the taste of the nature of the acids are corrosive. And acids can corrode the metals like iron and zinc. Since its nature is corrosive, even it can destroy, even it can damage the surface of the metals like iron and zinc. That is why we cannot store the acids into the metals container. And that is why we store the acids into the container of glasses. Next property of the acid is, that is, acids can react with the metals. Like, what are that metals? Sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, lead, zinc, etc. Means when the acids will react with metals, when the acids will react with these metals, then it will give, it will release the hydrogen. It will form the hydrogen there. When acids will react with metals, it will release hydrogen. And what are the metals that can be reacted by the acids? That is sodium, calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, lead and zinc. Next property of the acids is that is now the dilute acid. Now dilute acids can react with metal carbonate. And when it will react with metal carbonate, then it will release salt, carbon dioxide and H2O. When dilute acids will react with metal carbonate, it will form salt plus H2O plus means we can say that dilute acids can react with metal carbonate, and in the result of that reaction we will get salt, H2O means water, and carbon dioxide, that is CO2. That's all. So I hope so that today whatever I have discussed with you all, it must be clear by you all. If you have any confusion, you can ask that. Thank you.